Beres have a thing, you see, where his voice will make anything sound great. So if you have like Mary have a little lamb,
Any
and tell him
words?
to sing it, it sounds beautiful. So see, even if you have some words, it will tip on the paper, and when you have it in your head or if a sound, it will sound 100 times better. Him just have that gift there. There's not many singers I know that have that gift.
True.
Wow,
Just the way him sing it,
I didn't know that.
it come out beautiful,
I didn't know
right?
that.
You have some artists that stay so like like someone like a Snoop where, which him is a singer but super is a rapper.
Rap.
So when Snoop sing, him count and make a hit.
Yeah, true.
1, 2,
True.
3 and to the 4. It. I count the man count and it.
See
Yeah,
that.
Beres is like
Real
that
thing,
for singing where he does write some really complicated songs and they're very prolific.
But you
right?
can give
And
him
well written.
You can give him a children's
he
story.
yes, and he'll make it sound beautiful. And I knew that in,
On
in doing that song,
When
with Mike's feeling, it make it sound better than where it was when we write it and I said, blow this thing up. Him really, he has that gift.
True, man.
All right.
No, I'm never tell that to your face, so I tell you now.
You know, say a bad man long time.
Yeah, no,
You
bad
know how
man.
long you supposed to tell me that?
No, but my bad like, no.
Come me up now.
But I'm gonna tell you something. My bad mind never is.
No, man, no.
No, my bad
You don't do it,
no,
man.
Remember, no, when me and you reach and stood downstairs, I'm do one song. I'm on a mission. Remember that tune there? Mm-hmm. I'm sing it and you listen to it. And you say, are you that? I'm say, yeah, man. You sing that? Sing me here. I'm going to have to sing it live in front of time and say,
I am like that too.
yeah, go on. So, him is a man who said, me is a man always.
No,
He's one of the people that when we look up to
That's true,
musically upon Vice. Yeah.
You know, we need to
God.
lock this down because we have said enough.
What's that? February 14th,
Yeah.
Be there.
UBS Arena, all right?
Mad so.
Sean Paul, the King
Yes.
Beres Hammond,
Dads.
yours truly. It's a night of love. Yeah?
wait, come
Fellas, bring your ladies. Okay? If you
Right,
have your
yes,
side piece, you can bring a side piece too. Don't let
Right,
the
yes,
ladies.
sir.
Don't bring a side piece and the ladies. One
Love
or
is
the
love.
other. Because we're talking about love. Okay?
Bring some
Yeah.
flowers.
Bring some flowers. No,
Yeah.
no, we might bring flowers. George, you don't have to put anything
No,
backstage.
me I carry
Just bring
colour
only
look.
for roses for the ladies.
Me I care callaloo.